Hey, what's up everybody? It's Fishing with Calvin, and today we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna fish for anything that bites. So we're gonna make the best of what we got, and we're gonna go fish these creeks around my house. And we're gonna see if we can't catch some. Expecting some perch and maybe some little bass are the main target, but like I said, anything that bites. It's gonna be a little bit of a hike to get there, but I think it'll be worth it, so stick with it. Let's go catch some fish. I'm at the first creek, and it's not looking too good. I think they just filled it in a little bit. There used to be a ton of fish. Little perch and little bass in here, but doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to fish at this first spot. And it's just below freezing today. It's gonna be a cold one, but we might be able to try and catch some fish. Yep. So that's the plan today. Let's go catch some fish. That sucks. Used to fish there all the time with my friend when I was little. This side's got some fish, or some water. Let's see if there's any fish in here though. Yeah, it looks pretty dry too. That sucks. Alright guys, spot number 2 is a bust. Let's keep walking, see what we can find. Okay, I know there's a little body of water down by the edge of the road. Me and my friend fished one time after school. Okay guys, we're on a walking mission since we don't have a car today. And I'm with Isaiah.
Yeah.
Go follow his channel at what?
KT Slam.
KT Slam. Alright. So we're gonna see if we catch some fish. I don't remember if we caught something or not. But we saw fish, that's for sure. So that's where I'm going back there. That's where I'm going. And hopefully it's not filled in, and hopefully the fish are willing to bite. What I got tied on is just a little makeshift crappie jig, basically. This tore off the end of a plastic of a crappie jig, and then put a tiny jig head on there, and hoping that'll entice like a little perch or a little bass. I don't think we're gonna see any big enough water to fish with anything bigger than what I got on right now, especially with it being this cold out. Up there is a spot, so from here I can't see too much. It's hard to tell. Is there any fish over there or not? Yeah, I see the spot, but there's a little dip, so it's hard to tell if there's any water in there or not. Let's see how it goes. Just gotta try not to spook them. once you spook them, then they're really timid and make the whole trip just be worthless. Get my grub ready. Alright, here we go. Okay, I think the creek's down here. I can on both sides because there's a little water area down there and down there. Oh snap. Oh, that's dry. That's bone dry. That sucks. The other side looks a little bit more promising. Oh. Yeah, if you walk down there, it doesn't look super bad. Yeah, let's see how it looks over here. No fish worth catching in here. But there's a few, but not the ones that'll eat my lure. Yeah, I bet there's a pond leading from that creek right there. I'm just gonna take a blind cast. Or just jig right here. Alright. Looks decent in the water. Oh, here's some beautiful water. That's what I need right here. The rod I'm using is just a pin fishing rod. Not very good. Probably should have brought my good rod. Alright, so we're just gonna walk this creek. Thought we were gonna have like a little bit deeper water, but this is what we got. I bet we can catch fish out of it. Like 2-3 feet deep. In some areas. See a few fish. Figure out where they're at. Or you just get one long palm cast down the middle of this. That would be good. This wasn't that deep last time I was here. This little creek. It's good for casting a little bit bigger lures. Not this one, I guess. Just need like 5 fish. That'd be a good day right there. Fish will probably. I thought they'd be hungry. Sorry. Let's keep walking. Good. Toss it over here. Lure. Our reel's really jacking up. Messing up. So if I could just get out enough line and walk this bank, might be better than just casting. That'd be some fish. Let's go. Warmer day when we got some rain. This trip could be better. Oh man, let's clear the water. I really don't want to get farther than this big pool. Just so I know I'm wondering where I'm going at the back of these houses. Deeper, darn it. Doesn't look like there's anything. Shoot. Oh well. At least I tried.